Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Unfolded English podcast. I'm Alex.
Hi, everyone. I'm Lucy. It's really nice to be here with you today.
Lucy, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. A little tired, but in a good way. How about you, Alex?
I'm doing well. It's been a long day, but I feel relaxed now.
That's good. I like this time of day. It feels calm.
Yes, me too. I like to slow down and just talk.
Same here. Talking like this feels easy.
By the way, Lucy, did you eat yet today?
Not really. I had a small breakfast, but that's it.
Oh, really? I'm kind of hungry too.
Now you're making me think about food.
Me too. Food is always on my mind.
I understand. When I'm hungry, I can't think clearly.
Exactly. I start thinking about simple food, nothing fancy.
Like something warm and easy?
Yes, something you can order and enjoy.
That sounds nice. Talking about food always makes me smile.
Me too. It feels very everyday and very real.
Yes, and everyone can relate to it.
That's true. Food brings people together.
It really does.
All right, let's take a small breath here.
Yes, let's do that.
So, Lucy, now I'm really thinking about food.
Me too. Talking about it makes me feel hungry again.
Same here. And when I'm hungry, I often think about eating out.
Yes, going to a restaurant is very common,
It is. People do it all the time.
especially when you don't want to cook.
Exactly. You just walk in, sit down, and order.
That sounds easy, but for English learners, it's not always easy.
That's true. Many people feel nervous in restaurants.
Yes, they worry about what to say,
They think, what if I don't understand?
or what if I say something wrong?
I hear that a lot.
Me too. But the good thing is, restaurant conversations are very simple.
Yes, they use the same kind of English again and again.
So if you learn a few simple phrases, you can feel much more relaxed.
That's a great point.
And it can make eating out more enjoyable.
Definitely. Food tastes better when you feel comfortable.
I agree.
All right, let's stay with this idea.
Yes, let's keep going. So, Alex, today we can help our listeners with something very useful.
Yes, Lucy. We are going to talk about English at a restaurant.
Exactly. We will show simple phrases you can use when you go out to eat.
Yes, very practical and easy to remember.
And it will feel like real life, just like a normal restaurant visit.
That's right. By the end of this episode, listeners will feel more confident ordering food in English.
Yes, simple, friendly, and ready to use.
Perfect. Now, let's start and go step by step. All right, Lucy, let's imagine we are at a restaurant now.
Yes, let's do that. We are at the door.
So, the first thing we do is go inside. We see a person who can help us.
Yes, this person is the host or the waiter. We smile and say hello.
Hello. Simple and friendly.
Exactly. Then we tell them how many people are in our group.
Right. We can say, a table for two, please.
Yes, or a table for one if you are alone.
The host will smile and show you the way. They can say, this way, please.
We follow them to our table. Then we sit down.
Good. Now, the next thing we need is the menu.
Yes, we need to see the food. We can ask politely, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Or the waiter might give it to us right away.
When we open the menu, we see sections: starters, main courses, desserts, and drinks.
Starters are small dishes we eat first, like soup or salad.
Yes, and main courses are bigger meals. For example, chicken, fish, pasta, or a hamburger.
Desserts are sweet foods at the end: cake, ice cream, or fruit.
And drinks are water, juice, or soda.
Once we choose, the waiter comes to take our order. They will ask, "Are you ready to order?"
If we are ready, we can say, "Yes, I am," or "Yes, please."
If we need more time, we can say, "Just a minute, please."
When we order, we can say, "I would like the hamburger, please."
Or, "I'll have the chicken and vegetables, please."
Polite words like "please" are very important.
Yes, the waiter may repeat the order to check. We can just say, "Yes, that's right."
Then we wait and talk with our friend. Soon the food arrives.
The waiter brings the food and says, "Enjoy your meal."
We reply, "Thank you." It's polite and friendly.
During the meal, the waiter may come back. They might ask, "Is everything okay?"
If it is good, we say, "Yes, it's delicious," or "Yes, everything is great, thank you."
If we need more water or bread, we can say, "Excuse me." Then, "Can I have some more water, please?"
Or "Can I have some more bread, please?" It's simple and polite.
After finishing, the waiter may ask, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
We can say, "Yes, please." Then choose dessert, for example. "I would like the chocolate cake, please."
Finally, we ask for the bill. "Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?"
Or in the US, we can also say, "Check, please." Then pay with cash or a credit card.
We can hand the card or cash and say, "Here you are."
When we leave, we can smile and say, "Thank you, goodbye." It shows we liked the food and the service.
Yes, that's the whole restaurant experience.
Simple, polite, and easy to remember. Alex, now that we know the whole restaurant process, let's practice some key phrases again.
Good idea, Lucy. It helps us remember them.
First, asking for a table. We can say, "A table for one, please."
Or, "A table for two, please." Always add please.
Yes, polite words are very important.
Next, asking for the menu. We can say, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Or the waiter can give it to us, but we can still say, "Yes, please."
When ordering food, we can say, "I would like the chicken, please."
Or "I'll have the hamburger, please."
For drinks, same structure. "I would like a glass of water, please."
Or "I'll have a soda, please." Simple and polite.
If we need something during the meal, we say, "Excuse me." Then, "Can I have more water, please?"
Or "Can I have more bread, please?" It's the same polite pattern.
When we want dessert, "I would like the chocolate cake, please."
Exactly. And when we ask for the bill, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Or check please in the US. Always with a smile.
See? It's the same sentence pattern every time.
Yes, just change the word for food, drink, or dessert.
And remember, please and thank you make it friendly.
That's the key to feeling confident in a restaurant.
Perfect. If you practice these phrases, ordering food becomes easy. All right, Alex, let's do a full role play. You are the waiter and I am the customer.
Perfect. Hello. Welcome to our restaurant.
Hello. A table for one, please.
Of course. This way, please. Here is your table.
Thank you. Can I have the menu, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you. I'm ready to order.
Great. What would you like to start with?
I would like the tomato soup, please.
Excellent choice. And for your main course?
I'll have the hamburger, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I would like a soda, please.
Perfect. 1 tomato soup, 1 hamburger, and 1 soda. I'll be right back with your drink.
Thank you.
Here is your soda. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. The soup looks delicious.
Is everything okay with your meal?
Yes, it's delicious. Thank you.
Let me know if you need anything else.
Excuse me. Can I have some more water, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you.
Are you ready for dessert? Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please. I would like the chocolate cake, please.
Very good. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you. It looks amazing.
All finished? Can I bring the bill, please?
Yes, please.
Here is your bill.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Enjoy your day.
Wow, Alex. That was a full restaurant experience.
Yes, Lucy. And look, it's really simple.
Exactly. The phrases are short and easy to remember.
That's right. You don't need to be perfect.
Yes. Even if you make a small mistake, people are friendly.
They usually understand and can help you.
The most important thing is to try.
And practice these phrases at home or with friends.
Every time you practice, you feel more confident.
Yes, ordering food in English can be easy and fun.
And remember, a smile and please and thank you go a long way.
Exactly. Polite words make you feel comfortable and welcome.
So don't be afraid. You can do it.
Yes, you can.
Great. Now let's move to our last part, the closing.
All right, Lucy. That was a lot of fun today.
Yes, Alex. I hope everyone listening feels ready to try English at a restaurant.
Exactly. And now we have a question for our listeners.
Yes. What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
It can be anything. Pizza, pasta, a burger, anything you like.
Write your answer in the comments. We would love to read them.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the Unfolded English podcast.
Yes, and give this episode a like. Share it with friends who are learning English too.
That's right. It helps us a lot and keeps the podcast going.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you keep practicing and keep smiling.
Yes, keep practicing your English and don't be afraid.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you next time.